Hello kids, welcome back. We are tracing numbers from 1 to 20. Let's learn the colors. These are our colors. Dark blue color, black color, pink color, dark green color, sky blue color, red color, orange color, yellow color, says violet color, purple color, light green color. This is dark brown color. Let's start drawing. One. This is number 1. O-N-E 1. Two. T-W-O 2. Three. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. This is number 5. F-I-V-E 5. Here is the missing number. 6. S-I-X 6. Sky blue color. 7. Dark blue color. 8. Next to number 8 is number 9. Yes, draw like this. Dark green color. 10. Here it is 11. Number 11. Red color. 12. And now 13. This is number 13. Pink color. 14. This is number 14. Here it is 15. Sixteen. Violet color. 17. Orange color. 18. And this is 19. Number 19. The last number here is 20. Yes, we have done. Let's revise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. प्यारे बच्चों, आप इसी तरह प्रैक्टिस करें. Do the same practice. Like this video, share it and subscribe the channel.